2019 Subaru WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, traction control, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, CD player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.